We analyze the causes of the global financial crisis and its extensive effects in this presentation. We look at the significance of higher standards, accountability, and curiosity in financial institutions to reduce excessive risk-taking and rebuild trust. The importance of international cooperation and coordination in handling related global marketplaces is one of the lessons gained. By implementing reforms, conducting stress tests, and enhancing consumer protection, efforts have been made to create a financial sector that is more stable. But there are still issues with technological development and the need to strike a balance between innovation and stability. We can work toward a stable and long-term financial future by taking lessons from the crisis and implementing them into practice.